Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change language on GoCardless. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the GoCardless in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So let's tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the GoCardless. So you can see I haven't logged in yet, so let me tap on the three lines at the top left corner and let me tap on the login. So now you can see I have already logged in, and you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that settings icon and let's tap on the user settings shown in the screen. So once you do that, you can see there is a user settings, so you simply need to scroll a little bit down and you can see there is a language preference section in here. So you can see once you tap on the English United Kingdom, you can see there is 4 options in here to change your language. So you can basically choose any of them from here, and yeah, you'll be able to change your language by tapping on the save changes. So basically this is how you can change your language on GoCardless, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.